Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News. Axie Infinity, AXS, price dips below $7, can iPhone gamers save the day? AXS price has lost 18% since the recent price surge on May 17th. New users are still trooping into the Axie Infinity ecosystem as the Apple App Store listing awareness spreads. The MVRV ratio suggests that investor losses are approaching critical levels. This week, Axie Infinity, AXS, price dipped below the critical $7 support level. While current demand is weak, on-chain data shows multiple green signals suggesting an imminent rebound. Can AXS reclaim the $7 milestone in the coming days? After a price pump triggered by its Apple App Store listing on May 17, Axie Infinity, AXS, bears now appear to have seized market control. AXS price is down 18% from the recent high of $7.70 recorded on May 17. Despite the price drop, new users have continued to troop into the Axie Infinity GameFi ecosystem. With losses now approaching alarming levels, will AXS holders trigger a price rebound if they stop selling? Axie Infinity is still attracting new users. According to the underlying on-chain data, the recent price decline has not caused a major deterioration in Axie Infinity network activity. The active addresses 7D chart below shows that AXS has continued to attract new users this week. Between May 16 and May 23, it soared 73% from 823 to 1425 active addresses. As seen above, the number of AXS active users has been on the rise since May 17, when Apple announced the listing of the Axie Infinity Origins strategy game on its native App Store. Evidently, new users have continued to troop into the Axie Infinity metaverse as they can now download the AXS game on their iPhones and other 1.5 billion active Apple devices worldwide. If this trend continues, it's only a matter of time before AXS makes a bullish price rebound. Investors could soon stop selling. The market value to realized value, MVRV, data shows that most Cardano investors are now holding sizable unrealized losses. The MVRV ratio evaluates the net financial position of investors by comparing their purchase prices to the asset's current market value. The sentiment chart below shows that, with prices at $6.53, investors that bought AXS in the last 30 days are holding nearly 9% unrealized losses. With a net loss position of 9%, most of the current Axie Infinity investors could become unwilling to sell at the current prices. If they indeed stop selling as they desperately seek to keep their losses below 10%, they could inadvertently trigger another AXS price rally. Price prediction. Axie Infinity price today is $6.86 with a 24-hour trading volume of $63.98 million, market cap of $569.77 million, and market dominance of 0.05%. The AXS price increased 0.13% in the last 24 hours. Axie Infinity price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from May 27, 2023 at 12:13, the general Axie Infinity price prediction sentiment is bearish, with 8 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 20 signaling bearish signals. AXS price prediction was last updated on May 27, 2023 at 1900 hours. Axie Infinity key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $6.84, Axie Infinity has support levels of $6.77, $6.68, and the strongest at $6.61. Similarly, Axie Infinity resistance levels are at $6.93, $7, and $7.10. Axie Infinity reached its highest price on November 6, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $163.89, while Axie Infinity's lowest price was recorded on November 6, 2020 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.1244080. The lowest price since its ADH was $5.80, cycle low. The highest AXS price since the last cycle low was $13.81, cycle high. The Axie Infinity price prediction sentiment is currently bearish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 48, neutral. Axie Infinity's current circulating supply is 83.06 MAXS out of max supply of 270.00 MAXS. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 36.36%, meaning 22.15 MAXS were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Axie Infinity is currently ranked number 26 in the Ethereum ERC20 token sector, ranked number 7 in the NFT token sector, ranked number 3 in the gaming sector, and ranked number 4 in the metaverse sector. Axie Infinity is currently trading below the 200-day simple moving average (SMA). The 200-day SMA has been signaling sell for the last 38 days, since April 18, 2023. The price of Axie Infinity is currently below the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling sell for the last 37 days, since April 19, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 60 days ago, on March 28, 2023. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on February 27, 2023, which was 89 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Axie Infinity's 200-day SMA will drop in the next month and will hit $8.87 by June 26, 2023. Axie Infinity's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $6.57 by June 26, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 42.59, which indicates that the AXS market is in a neutral position. According to our current Axie Infinity price prediction, the value of Axie Infinity is predicted to drop by -4.32% and reach $6.59 by June 1, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 48, neutral. Axie Infinity recorded 17/30ths, 57%, green days with 5.93% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Axie Infinity forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Axie Infinity. Comparing Axie Infinity against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Axie Infinity price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Axie Infinity price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best-case scenario, AXS price prediction for year 2026 is $428.84 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Axie Infinity would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $49.20. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and will do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.